Oh, there you are, YouTube.
You want to give one to one of the little ones? You want to give one to the little one?
Here, she needs another one too.
He is so hungry. Yeah, hold it out to him.
Look
Here,
at
Mama,
that.
Mama will get more.
So cute.
Oh my goodness.
He loves it.
You want Mama to get more? Okay.
Mmm. Do you guys remember what a goat says?
This guy is so eager.
Here, give one to this guy. You keep feeding the same one.
Here. Look at Mama. Aww. It's like two in your hand.
She likes that guy. Good job. We were just attacked by June bugs. Look at them. Can you just see them buzzing everywhere? They weren't here before, and now they are crowding the area.
Back out.
Do you see the kitty?
She's being so silly. Oh, she went back in again.
Maybe she'll pop back out. Say, here, kitty, 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 kitty. Here, kitty, 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 kitty.
She's playing with you.
Here, kitty. You see the kitty? Yeah, right in that hole. Is she letting you pet her? Oh, did she get you? There's that little paw. Did she scratch you with that little paw? Meow.
Sleeping? Yeah. No.
Look at those kitties. Where are the kitties? They're so
cute.
and they're just
Yeah.
clearly okay with. Aw, so sweet.
They went night-night.
They're so comfortable around people.
Yeah. They're sleeping, yeah. Oh, that is so sweet. He knows.
It's gentle.
Oh, you see her paw? Yeah. Oh, no, no.
Oh, gentle.
careful.
That one woke up. You woke that one up. Be gentle. Look at those kitties.
Another one? Look at this baby. This is the only. Oh, sweet. You want to hold it like a baby? Oh. You gotta hold your arms. Yeah. Oh my gosh, I got this picture.
Here, hold on.
You got a stick? Oh. Be careful. Uh-oh.
Oh,
She's going in the bushes again. Here, let's walk around this way. Come here.
come on. The kitty's right
No,
here.
that's right here. You see her?
Look, there's the kitty.
Right here. Look. You see?
Uh-oh.
Oh.
Can you say, somewhere over the rainbow? Look. Look, there's a farmer. And a sheep. I think I see a goat and a cow and a duck and a pig and a horse. Wow. And there's the Tin Man. Look, it's Emerald City. So that place you just saw was an apple orchard / pumpkin patch local to our area called Curtis Orchard. And we usually go there in the fall, but with the kids, you know, we're just trying to find things for them to do. We saw from a friend that it was a mostly empty place, not as busy as it gets in the fall, so we were like, maybe we can take them there and they can run around. Pet some goats and ate some apple donuts, apple fritters, things like that, which I was not able to film because when you are trying to hold your kid on one lap so they're not running around touching stuff in this COVID time, you really, I should have, I don't know, I guess I should have brought like my tripod and set that up, and then I could have filmed the experience of eating the donuts, but they wanted to run around, so it would have been rowdy anyway, so I probably wouldn't have included any of it. But anyway, yeah, we also got donuts. You'll probably see me eat them maybe tomorrow or something like that. Apple, like cake style donuts, and then, well, the fritter, I only got one fritter while I was there, so I didn't get like a whole box or anything to take home. But anyway, I'm sure in the fall, or I shouldn't say I'm sure, I would expect to see that place more often in the fall when things start cooling down. I'm sure I expect we'll be going there more. But if it's busy and Corona's still going on, I don't know. We probably won't go as much, or if at all, or we'll have to find times when we know it's not super busy to go. I should say I'm sure we'll be getting donuts from there, but we may not be hanging out there. We'll probably pick our pumpkins from there. That's what we did last year. Again, all of this really does depend on COVID. But yeah, it was a fun day. It was fun to see the kids interact with the goats and the cats that they have running around. Yeah, anyway, that's it for today. Maybe I'll see you tomorrow for more Peer Hangout.